Welcome to the Go Globe Partner Network, where smart collaboration meets global success. We're excited to have you on board. The first step is simple: agreement approval. Once our mutual terms are aligned, your partnership is officially activated. Next, we'll set up your official Go Globe email and agent identity, so you can begin representing us with confidence and clarity. Step 3. ERP System Access. You'll receive personalized access to our ERP system. Here you can manage leads, monitor deals, and track your commission in real time. Step 4. Marketing Tools Sharing. We'll also equip you with powerful marketing tools, custom decks, brochures, and pre-approved proposals to help you win confidently. Step 5. New Client Onboarding and Payment. After a successful client engagement and payment confirmation, onboarding begins. Our project team takes over to deliver results. Commission Transfer. Your commission is processed and transferred quickly, with full transparency and detailed reporting. Marketing Sync Meeting. You'll join regular Marketing Sync meetings with our core team, so we stay aligned, updated, and moving forward together. Partner Requirements Meeting. We also conduct personalized check-ins to support your market goals, share updates, and improve how we work together. At Go Globe, you're not just a partner, you're part of a global success engine. With the right tools, transparency, and teamwork, we grow together. Let's get started. Your success begins now.